does it take to be a great manufacturing rep?
I think, first and foremost, you have to have a team that's knowledgeable of the industry, have a good customer base, and then have systems and processes to back them up.
Yeah.
And have consistent processes so that when a manufacturer rep comes to EI or any other rep company, they have essentially a product, right? I get X, Y, and Z from this company, and so what we try to do is create a platform for our manufacturers as well as our customers. When they come to us, they know they get a set product from us. So we've tried to do our best to standardize around a system and a platform that brings manufacturers and customers together.
If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.